The EMP lets you see information about the factory floor using advanced electrical measurements and already installed infrastructure in the factory floor. The two dashboard views are the real-time and the overview of quality and cost data. The real-time shows electrical information in real time, second by second, so factory operators can monitor different conditions as they happen. For a better view through time, the resume overview lets you see cost information and quality information, and also it lets you run models to predict these parameters. So for example, this view here is showing an energy cost prediction through time all the way down to the end, to the last day of the month. This is fed by advanced analytics of energy information and demand information, which is obtained by the electrical infrastructure that monitors the system in real time. Another way of seeing information is through the Data Explorer. So the Data Explorer lets the operator go back in time to see information about the different metering systems, and it lets the operator correlate this information and further create visualizations for actionable insights. In this view, the operator can create reports that are sent on a recurring basis, and they can also create alarms and alerts that are sent to the operator's messaging system and email. This is very important in places where they have to keep track of demand charges, power factor, and even energy quality, electricity quality, which is very important for our customers. Going in more detail into the machines, the asset manager lets the operators see information about these different machines in the factory, also in real time, but also information that lets them make decisions. So for example, a corrugated machine that has a higher likelihood of failure, and this is also obtained through time with the downtime information, lets the factory operator make decisions to do scheduled maintenance on those machines to avoid waste. And a beta feature that we're currently developing is a natural language processor which lets the factory operator ask information about the factory, and it helps them navigate the different advanced analytics and metrics that the system is giving them to further make things easier for the factory operator, so they are focused on the important things that happen day to day to minimize waste and reduce costs.